Good morning and welcome to Eagles Nest Live for your AHS Morning News. Hello, I'm Bailey.
And I'm Ethan, and we're here to provide you with the news for today, Wednesday, February 19th.
University's cross-country and track and field team is hosting a recruit day for high school juniors and seniors on March 14th. The recruit day will consist of campus tour, a chance to learn more about Brush's academic program and clubs, and gives you an opportunity to meet coaches and team members. Look for flyers around the building or see Coach Audrey Sparks if you have any questions.
The Apollo Tennis will practice today at 4 p.m. at Kentucky Westland Courts. There will not be practice on Thursday or Friday. Tennis practice will resume on Saturday at 1 p.m. at the Owensboro Tennis Complex outside courts.
Good morning, Apollo. In the last few months, our school has been working on new projects that I'm excited to share with you today. Okay, let's begin. Let's go talk to Mr. Leslie about these new projects.
Good morning. I have a pretty exciting topic to talk about today. The new renovations that are continuing here on campus. You know, we've had an opportunity with the new stadium project. We've only initiated that by having one game there, so there's several events coming up that we look forward to having at the new stadium. Students, keep in mind that was pretty much a $10 million project. They should have the new parking lot finished by the end of April at the latest. So once all this wet weather and winter gets out of the way, then they should be able to continue that. And then we have the new addition that will be constructed this summer, possibly in May, and it'll take about 15 months for it to be constructed. And we have a special surprise. Of course, we all know the dome and all the issues that we've had with the dome over the years. It's going to get a facelift. And so this is what the new dome is going to look like. We're very excited about these opportunities that we will have coming to Apollo.
I've also asked students what they think about these new renovations, and this is what they said.
My thoughts on the new parking lot is that people are going to like it because it's going to give us more space.
I'm excited about the new parking lot because I get here pretty late and there's not enough spots left when I get here, so I have to drive around forever. So I'm excited because hopefully there'll be more spots.
This Friday we will be on an afternoon activity schedule for the FBLA fundraiser. Staff versus students basketball game. This is going to be a great game. If you want to watch the game, be sure to bring $1. Money will be collected in sixth period before the game. You won't want to miss this game, so don't forget to bring your $1 on Friday.
Attention all young ladies. If you enjoy technology, science, math, gaming, building projects, or have interest in being an automotive/diesel mechanic, electrician, welder, machinist, or an HVAC technician, then you should attend the Girls Empowerment Trailblazer Dinner on March 5th at 5:30 at OCTC. This is open to all young women and their parents. There will be a free dinner and a keynote speaker, Katrina Kidd, from the hit HTV show Texas Flip and Move. For more information and for sign-up instructions, please stop by the guidance office.
Today is recycling day for the 400s area. Please place your blue recycling bins outside your classroom door at the start of third period today.
Seniors, last chance to take a cap and gown photo with Life Touch is this afternoon. Listen for an announcement to be called to the little gym.
Hey Apollo, today I'm finding out some of y'all's favorite things about Apollo. Whether it's Crispito Tuesday or meeting new people, there's always something to be positive about.
My favorite thing about Apollo is that we truly are an Eagle family. I know it's corny and I know some people don't believe it, but when it comes down to it, we've got each other's back and we support each other.
My favorite thing about Apollo so far has just been an opportunity to learn the tricks of the trade for being a teacher.
Our favorite thing at Apollo is basketball.
My favorite part about Apollo is giving all you sweet children suckers.
My favorite thing is Crispito Tuesday.
And Miss Myers.
My favorite thing about being at Apollo is all my new coworkers. I'm so excited to be here at Apollo. I'm getting to know new students, and it's a bigger office, bigger building.
My favorite thing about Apollo is getting involved and becoming a leader in the school.
My favorite thing at Apollo is the school spirit.
I like Apollo because it's always offering new opportunities and activities.
Your favorite things now is what you'll look back on years from now once you graduate. So it's important to stay positive and make the most of your high school experience.
Today's lunch, you have a choice of pizza or pasta in the Global Fare line, fish or spicy chicken strips in the Mama's Kitchen line, burrito or chef salad in the Southern Salad line, several sandwich choices in the sandwich line, and ice cream as the dessert of the day.
We would like to wish all students good luck in their after-school activities. Thank you and have a great day.
Good morning, Eagles. I have quite a few things to share this morning, so bear with me. First of all, a reminder to our teachers. Faculty meeting today. Mr. Johnson mentioned, I think, that he needs for everybody to bring laptops with you. And we are going to have the faculty meeting in the Commons area so we can be sitting at tables. So, again, faculty meeting today, 3:30. Hopefully we need no more than 30 minutes for that. There will be a follow-up or a make-up faculty meeting tomorrow morning, as usual, CCR room at 7:30. Again, bring laptops. We need to go over testing procedures that are going to be coming up starting with our sophomores next week, so we want to make sure everybody's aware and in the know. You want to know what I love about Apollo? It's things like last night, such a We Are Apollo moment. I am so happy and proud for our World Language Department and our Global Fest, our first annual Global Fest. Such a tremendous, tremendous event. I was blown away. If only I had known how much I was going to eat last night, I would have not eaten lunch yesterday. I had 3 dinners. But it made me so proud to see how proud our students were to share their heritage with us and their culture from our foreign exchange students, Matteo and Gloria, Laura. I know Jan, he wasn't there, but I really appreciate that. And I would say our friends from Guatemala, Peru, Mexico, Uruguay, Micronesia. We have so many countries that are influenced in our building. The one thing that I wanted to share with you today, because we are Apollo, you're not friends from these countries, you're family. We are all one big family here at Apollo, and it was so proud and happy moment to see all of you being proud and sharing your culture. So that was a very good start for us to continue that tradition. So look forward to what that event is going to be next year. As far as birthdays, there are several birthdays to go on this 19th. Emma Arevalo and Catherine Basham Rachel Broswell, Sarah Broswell, Ethan Deitch celebrating a birthday today, Valentin Jimenez, Luke Malott, and then Lena Summer. I got the name right this time. Lena Summer celebrating a birthday today. Let's all have a great day in Eagle Nation.